Lawyers have been breaking down the $200,000 Bricks and Minifigs Lego dispute and explaining who may be legally responsible for the missing collection. Brian Mansell, who says his family consigned a massive Star Wars Lego collection to a Bricks and Minifigs store run by Crystal Gorman. Under the agreement, the store would sell the Lego, keep a percentage, and pay the Mansell family the rest. The key legal issue is that the Mansells claim they still owned the Lego until each item was sold. Things became complicated when BAM Franchising, the company behind Bricks and Minifigs, ended Crystal's franchise agreement and took over the store. Crystal claims BAM changed the locks, seized the inventory, and knew the Mansell collection was inside. BAM argues it was not part of the consignment agreement and said Crystal was responsible for any shortages, loss, or damage. The lawyer explains that BAM's defense may not be enough if the company had noticed that the Lego belonged to the Mansell family. Even if BAM did not sign the original contract, property law may still matter. If the company took control of inventory it knew belonged to someone else. Another major issue is the missing records. Brian requested the Lego back, along with payment and sales records, but says he never received them. The lawyer points out that whoever controlled the inventory should be able to explain what was sold, what remained, and where the money went. The case also involves yellow dot stickers, allegedly used by the Mansell family to mark their items. According to the breakdown, one marked Lego set was reportedly purchased from the store after BAM took over, which could raise serious questions about whether Mansell-owned items were still being sold without payment. YouTuber Reckless Ben later got involved and helped bring national attention to the dispute. However, the lawyer explains that Ben's tactics may also create legal problems. Hidden camera recordings, alleged fake apology content, visits to private homes, and confrontational investigations could give BAM's lawyers a way to attack his credibility. Ben was later arrested in Utah on charges connected to his conduct around BAM-related people and locations. The lawyer notes that if the police stop, searches, or arrest lacked proper legal cause, Ben may also have his own legal claims against the police department. At this point, there are several legal fights happening at once. The Oregon investigation into the missing Lego, BAM's lawsuit in Utah, Ben's criminal case, and Crystal's lawsuit against BAM. Each case affects the bigger question: who had control of the Lego, who had notice, and who can produce the records. The lawyer's main point is that there is not enough public evidence yet to say who committed a crime, but there is enough to say the Mansell family deserves a full accounting. If the Lego was sold, moved, mixed with other inventory, or stripped of identifying marks, someone should be able to prove what happened.